here in this program we will assume that the values of the array are already given to us. So this is a way to define and initialize an array. See, there is an array and I am assuming that it has 5 elements. These are the values of the array, and obviously this 1 will be assigned to array 0 index location, this 2 will be assigned to array 1 index location, and so on. You can have any values, 65, 82, whatever. Just to make the program simple, I am taking this sequence values, and obviously they will be assigned to the index location from 0 till 4. Okay. Python also gets you some functions, ready-made functions. It is deleting the element at index location 2. Let me tell you, in C and C++, it was a very critical program. Deleting a value in an array or inserting an array required to create another array. Suppose I have to delete an element in an array. In C or C++, I was supposed to create another element. I have to copy all the array elements from this array except the value which I have to delete. But in Python, you don't have to do this exercise. You don't require to create another array. Just by writing add to, what will happen? It will delete the element at the index location 2. That is, third element will be deleted. How? Let's see it. Add 2. See, this is the array. On deleting the element at add to index location, so your array will become like this. All the rest of the values will be auto shuffled. So can I say that unlike in C and C++, where the array was a static array, the length was fixed, here this is dynamic array. Yes, in Python it's a dynamic array. What is happening is that all the values are reshuffled. So when you display the array, you'll get the elements 1, 2, 4 and 5, because the value 3 which was at array index location 2 is removed. When you write append and 90, append means add at the end. The 90 will be added after the last element. The last element was at index location array 3. So one index location will be created array 4 and 90 will be added to it. Okay. When you write add.insert, see, you can even insert in the middle. Again, let me tell you, in C and C++, adding an element in the array required a complete code. Like you have to copy all the elements, you have to insert the new element in between and copy the rest of the elements. But in Python you don't require it. See what it is doing? It is saying that add this value at t at the index location 1. So the element at index location 1 will be shuffled to index location 2 and all the rest will be shuffled. And this 80 will be inserted at the index location 1. See, 80 is inserted at index location 1, 2 is shifted to the index location 2, 4 is shifted to 3, 5 is shifted to index location 4 and so on. Let's verify it. When you delete an element at index location 2, you get 1, 2, 4 and 5 because 3 which was at index location 2 is deleted. After appending value 90, can you see that 1, 2, 4 and 5 and the 90 is added at the end? And when you insert 80 at the index location 1, all the rest of the elements are shuffled. Okay.